Hi, I'm Joe.
And I'm Tammy.
You're watching Two for the Road.
Our channel is about camping, cooking, and trailing with our Jeep.
So join us for this adventure.
This weekend's adventure took us to Ross Prairie Trailhead Campground. This trailhead has a nice equestrian day use area with no overnight camping permitted. But there is a nice area for the horses to roam around, picnic area, and parking for the horse trailers. There is a nice facility with both showers and restrooms. This can be used by the campers or the day use. There are several hiking trails that you can take your dogs on. All the hiking trails and mountain bike trails and horse trails all intertwine with one another, but there are separate trails for each one. So it would be important to stay on the appropriate trail. This is where you would enter for hiking. And you would go straight across, which is fairly shaded and the footing looks and appears to be nice. Then the horses come in over from the horse corral and go this way. And then the mountain bike trail comes in from this way, right here. And it's showing a green dot, so it's a fairly easy trail. And it goes down this way, which also looks like a fairly clean, nice trail. You can also directly access the new 16-mile multi-use paved trail on the Cross Florida Greenway from this location, which is a very nice paved area that we've been on in the past. Very clean, very newly paved, some up and down hills, so it could be a little challenging on your bikes. For those of you who want to stay on a nice paved path, that's great. If you want to ride in the dirt and with your mountain bikes, you have the option to do that as well. Now we're going to enter the campground area, which is in the back of the trailhead. It's a fairly small campground with 16 sites. I do want to mention it's probably not a preferred camping area due to Highway 200 is right out here to the left. You may be able to see the cars from here. You do hear road noise throughout the day and throughout the night. So each site here is all pull through. They have a picnic table, 30 and 50 amp, water, and fire ring. Not much shade, very few trees. This site here, number 15, is probably the worst site in the park. Very little living area. Picnic table is very close to your fire pit. Another good thing to remember if you're coming here, they do not sell firewood inside of the park, so you would need to bring your firewood from outside or go get it once you get here. This is our site, site number 16. Looks like Joe's starting to cook dinner. I think this would be a great place to come if you're just looking for a relaxing weekend of just sitting by the campfire, hanging out outside. And Joe, what are you cooking?
Steak and cheese sandwiches tonight. We're gonna have the French fries with it too. And the French fries we cheated on. We brought our air fryer. We wanted and been craving the checker style French fries. So that's what we're back to that.
Sounds yummy. And a fire.
Yep, and a fire. There you go. Steak and cheese and checkers fries. Okay, we got our evening fire fired up and gonna be chilling out with some of this Bacardi rum and eggnog. Chilling out and relaxing with the beautiful sounds of the traffic. And we're gonna be watching a movie tonight on our outside TV.